Friends, today I am gonna show you how to create this amazing torchlight effect. Don't you feel that it's amazing effect which will help you to spot or highlight a particular part in your slideshow? So today I will create this amazing torchlight effect and tell you how can we create it step by step. Hello friends, my name is Sachil and you are watching channel Tech Today. Let's open a new PowerPoint, name it as Morph and delete its layout. Then go to the format background option by right clicking from mouse and here change the slide background color to black. Now insert text box from insert menu bar. Change text color to white. Then write Morph transition. Change its font size and type. Now let's adjust the text at the middle of the slide. After making this slide, let us save it as image in JPG format. So I am saving it on desktop. Then delete this text from our slide and go to the insert option, then picture and insert the same image we have saved it just now. So here you can see I have inserted the image of written text. Then go to the picture format option, then crop and select aspect ratio to 1:1. Now again go to the crop option, then crop to shape and select circle. Now again click on crop. So here circle crop option is appeared. Now reduce its size and place it on first alphabet of the image like this. Now go to the insert option, then shapes and select oval shape. Draw the shape on the alphabet M. Then insert one more shape from insert option, that is trapezoid shape. Now rotate this shape and place it with the circle shape so that it will look like a torchlight. So adjust a little bit as both the shapes fits correctly like torchlight this way. Then select both the shapes together and go to the merge shapes option under shape format and click union. So here you can see both the shapes have been unified. Now select the shape and go to the shape fill option under shape format. Here change the color to white and select transparency to 70%. Then go to the shapes effect, click on soft edges and there select soft edges variations up to 0.10. Adjust the size of the shape a bit. And then insert the torch image which I have already downloaded. Now adjust the size of the torch and place it at the bottom of the torch light. Now select shape and torch together and group them by right clicking from mouse. Now duplicate the slide and move the position of torch and place it at right side. Then select alphabet M and go to the crop option under picture format and increase the crop area on full text on second slide and adjust it in such a way so that full text is visible like this. Then again crop it from left side and make last alphabet visible, that is N. So here I have adjusted. Now take the torch and place it at the last alphabet. So all the tasks are completed and only last animation is left. Now select both the slides and go to the transition option on the top and select morph transition. Then change its duration to 4 seconds. Then go to the slideshow and see the effect. This effect is quite fast, so let me change the duration of both the slides to 10 seconds. Now let's play and see the torchlight effect. Friends, how do you like this amazing torchlight effect? Kindly write in the comment section. And if you are really liking these PowerPoint learning videos, kindly give thumbs up to this video, share with your friends and do subscribe our channel. Thank you friends, bye bye, take care.